Alright guys, in today's video we got a 2019 Dodge Charger. We're gonna lift this baby up. We're gonna be replacing the front sway bar linkages. So to start off, we're gonna remove this wheel. This guy got a wheel lock on these. Yep, there goes my impact. For some reason the line is keep coming off. We're gonna look into that. I hate these things. Not gonna protect anything because these are universal. And we got one more. There you go. This wheel, you got so much stuff on it, liquid, all kinds of crap, which I do not recommend when you come to a mechanic, because he literally did this right outside. He literally did this. Spraying this shit. Ah! There it goes. But then we got that baby out. We're gonna put this wheel away and let's look inside. So right inside the suspension we have a whole bunch of components. Let's go through together. Light is kind of not all that best. So we have a bolt here for the linkages. So since we're gonna change the strut, what you want to do is you want to take this. You don't have to take this off. You can take the linkage off on the bottom. Since we're going to change everything, we're going to be taking this off. You can put a 8mm, whatever the size here is, and turn it, or put a vice grip in the back and turn this baby. So I like to clean these because they do get kind of like dirt on it, and then they don't want to come off. So that's one thing I do like to do here. So that's that. And I do like to throw some lubrication on it, a penetrating oil, WD-40, just like that. And then while you at it, throw it on the bottom strut as well, strut bolt. So let's work together and get this job done as easily as possible. So let me just get my lighting to act a little better. Hopefully that's better. Okay, there's no, it's like no metal on our new cars. So anyways, that's that. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna get a 21mm. We're gonna try, I'm gonna try to push this from the back. Usually it won't come off, but that will kind of help out. And you see how it started to spin? It is not gonna come out. So we gotta kind of hold it with the vice grip from the back end, or you have to put a wrench on a wrench. I got me a vice grip. Well, we're gonna come on this side over here so you guys can see a little bit, and I do need to bring the light with it. Okay, the lighting is just gonna be disaster, guys. I'm really sorry, but this is how it's gonna be. Okay, that might be a little better. So like I said, I'm working a little hard because I want to show everyone how to change the linkages. But if you didn't need to change the linkages, you know what else we could do? I am going to attempt this, okay? You can put a pry bar to force this a little bit forward, go right through the frame, and do that to it. We're going to try that, okay? We're going to try that instead of a vice grip. Okay, we got our vice grip in the back, and we're going to... There you go, that will always work. 99% of the time, that will work for you, and that's that. So, we're going to move on to our next step, which is trying to get the strut out of there. But right now, what we need to do next is get the bottom bolt off. Now to get this linkage, since the top part is loose on both sides, we're gonna bang this bolt out. Again, it's the same size, 21mm. We're gonna be putting vice grip over here because we can no longer force this. We can probably force this. You know what? Let's figure out to put pry bar on this to force this also. And it should be that simple. So let's try that. First, let me set up my tools. If I can widen out my arms, because everything against me right now. And we're gonna put 21 in back here. We're gonna go with the pry bar from back over here. Whoops, you see the trouble we're gonna get right now is gonna be a little bit of consequences here. So rush procedure. And you don't want to hurt yourself, okay? That's the main thing. Do not hurt yourself, because this thing can spin and hit you in the face. There you go. We got it out. We are so lucky with this guy. So we're gonna get new part. So this guy was kind of weak. We got a Moog brand here. That's what I'm using. Moog is the brand. Part number K80823 is the driver's side. They do have an angle, so you gotta be careful, okay? So what we're doing here is, it comes just like that, assembled. All right, so what you wanna do is, this is gonna go in same direction that it came out. So you can put it the opposite way. So this is gonna go just like that with the washer in back of it. And the beauty here is, we can put a tool here, 18 millimeter. Okay, so this goes here, 18 millimeter, and make sure it's nice and tight and firm. Okay, and this, like I said, it can spin and hit you in the face. It can even rip the upper cables, so be careful with that. So make sure your tool is there nice and firm so it doesn't let nothing spin. So do both sides before you put this up, because once you put this up, that one's gonna go higher on the opposite side. So you do both and you come back here. Anyways, I have to finish that side, then we'll come back. I'm only gonna show you one side. So I did finish the other side. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put 18 millimeter and a 21 on the opposite side and knock it out with the impact gun. Okay, so here goes nothing. 21 from this side and an 18 from here. So you're gonna have very limited space here, so kind of be careful. All right, you see how my wrench got stuck there? So be careful your fingers doesn't get stuck there. So this should come right out. So anyways, bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys. So this is done here. Shock is done, everything is done. So Dodge Charger got a suspension, even though it should have been everything else with it. Let's take a look at the other side. We still gotta go up on the top and finish up the job on the top. So over here we got the sway bar linkages and the front strut. Everything is nice and tight, double check, and you're good to go.